Hi, my name's Brittany. I'll be hosting today since Rob is feeling a bit under the weather. We received these shoelaces, these no-tie shoelaces from Shoelaces that we will be reviewing today. Now this is fantastic because our oldest son, Ian, had a really difficult time learning how to tie his shoelaces. It took him a very long time to master that skill. And for other children or older adults who are on the spectrum or perhaps have problems with fine motor skills, a tool like this would be great for reducing anxiety and helping you getting along with your day. So without further ado, we're going to check this out and help my youngest son tie his shoelaces with laces. Okay, we're going to show you how to tighten these shoelaces. So you take the end tab and you push the button and just squeeze it up. It's super easy. Now, Alistair, does that feel comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah? You squeezed them. Perfect. Good job. Lacey's also sent us these deodorizers that are supposed to go on your shoes, which is fantastic. And so it looks pretty simple to open. Just peel it open and it smells kind of like Febreze, you know, like a very laundry, mountain air, fresh scent. Let's try that. It smells pretty fresh. Let's see if these deodorizers can do their work. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. And we wanted to let you know that if you go through the link on the screen or in the description, you can get 15% off your next order for Lacy's. So thanks a lot and I hope you enjoyed the video.